Everything you need to know how to replace the broken exhaust studs. First of all, cut the stud off. Using the angle grinder, try not to touch the base of the pipe. Break the stud off with the pliers. Center punch the stud. You need to be very precise. Hit the center. Start drilling with a small drill bit. Align your drill, make sure it's vertical and it has no tilt. Drill straight. Spray drilling oil or any lubricant and keep drilling. Watch your drill, make sure drill bit is going straight. Spray more. We need a good lubrication. First hole done. Wipe the shavings into the container. Started with a bigger drill bit. Second drill bit done. Wipe the shavings. And now we are drilling with a large drill bit, which is slightly smaller than the diameter of the stud. Now it's easy. We don't need to take much material, and all done. Make sure the hole is straight because stud needs to go straight. Look at the hole, all nice and straight. We didn't take any pipe material, only drilled out the broken stud. Same thing for the rest of the broken studs. Try to be careful not to score or scratch the mating surfaces. Keep that ring where the gasket will seal clean from the scratches. Be careful. As you can see, it's all cut, and now I need to drill. Here we go, all drilled out. Now time to find the right tap. We're using the stud and finding the proper thread in a die. As you can see, this is one. This is the easiest way to find the tap and dies. It's M8 125. Also, you need to check, make sure it's right by using the thread gauge. It's 125. It fits perfectly on the threads. There's no any visible gaps. This is our size. Taps and dies are tools to create screw threads, which called threading. It is a very helpful tool. A tab, was we're going to use to cut or form female portion of the mating surfaces or on a nut. Apply some drilling oil, or you can use any type of oil you have, and start it straight. Tap in the thread. You can push and turn and see when it catches. Yeah, this process of cutting and forming the threads using the tap is called tapping. We're tapping the thread on the female side of the mating part. Make a few turns clockwise, tapping the thread, like so. You will feel the resistance. Turn, and then see it will start getting hard. Apply a little bit more lubricant. Reverse it clockwise, counterclockwise. Don't go too hard because the tap can break. Since you feel the resistance, reverse it, back up, add a little bit more lubricant. It really helps. Keep turning, couple turns forward, 1, 2 backwards, go back and forth, clean all that shaving material from the new threads. Go down, as you can see, a tip of my tap is already coming through. Turn back. Nice and easy. Make sure it's straight, because if a new stud will be threaded on an angle, that won't fit the bottom exhaust downpipe, and then when you have the ability to fit, that will be the problem, because there's a holes just right through. If it's not aligned, you won't be able to attach the bottom pipe. That's gonna be the problem. Make sure you're straight. You started straight and will be ended straight. Go all the way up. I think it's a good idea to do it all in details, and see, you should be able to start the new stud by hand like this. No resistance, nice and easy. It's all done. It will be tight with a bolt later on. I can tighten it a little bit more. We have one already done. We'll tap second and third ones. Here we go. Look at that. More light. I will say it's not such a rocket science. Put a rag over top. You don't want to damage the thread. Use the pliers to tie the stud a little bit more. Here we go. All clean. 3 stud, and also clean the stud which left not broken, and using a die. Die is used to cut the male portion of the mating part. Yeah. The process of using the die is called threading. We tapped and we threading. The thread, and look at that, lots of rust and dirt, all the debris came off. Now it will be easy to tie the knots. All done, guys. I'm glad it all went well and we did a good job. Be careful with the mating surfaces, don't scratch. See where the gasket will go. That's inner ring that you need to watch. If you little touched around the stud, it's not a big of a deal. There you go, our engine all assembled, all done. Well, it's just one part, broken studs. Yeah, beauty, and that engine is ready to be installed. We have timing belt, new head gasket, new head, and everything's done to specs, and good to go. Oh yeah, I tried with a torch at the very beginning. I tried to get them loose. No luck. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please click that subscribe button. It really helped me to grow the audience and help you with more good videos. Alright, take care and stay safe. See ya. Bye bye.